Alright, today I'm going to use a demonstration of a farm jack to show you how to use it. What I'm doing here today is pulling this post out of the ground. It's got just a 2x4 right here with a chain run through a few holes in the back, so that's got enough tension. This should pull the post out of the ground. I wanted to make sure to put some weight on it to show it actually being used. So when you buy your farm jack, this is what it's going to look like. It's going to be all the way at the bottom. If you're not familiar with it, it might be tricky to get going. This mechanism right here is the key. So when this is engaged right up here, as you crank it, it's going to raise up. If that's not engaged, it's not going to go anywhere. The best thing to do though is to get it close to the height that you want. So we want it close to up here. So pull the handle down, and then from here you can just raise it up. You can grab it and raise it to about the height you need. And I'm going to leave a little bit of room here at the bottom to get a bit of a wider base for what we're using it for. Now it's in about the right spot. Engage the key, and then just start cranking. Every time you pump it, these two pins alternate. One of them comes out while the other one's locked, and then it moves up one hole, locks in, but keeps moving up just like that. It's all in these two pins right here. All right, and now we've got it up as high as we need it to go. Keep control of it, disengage, and you can just slide it down at this point. That's how you use a farmer's jack.